Damn. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So, day after Christmas, came out to the car, and sure enough, the tires I was trying to wear down, they have a flat tire. How about that? Well, I kind of think, this is a good time. Let's just replace the tires. Let's put the new on. Yeah, these puppies are getting pretty worn out. It's all on the shoulders, every tire. Alright guys, just got the new tread installed, so pretty excited about that. I always recommend, if you can, try and support your local tire shop. We've got like 3 or 4 smaller tire shops, and I just picked the one that was least busy, and it was great. I'm really impressed. These guys did a great job. They put all 4 tires on, they mounted and balanced them, and it was a great deal. And you're supporting someone local, and that's really important. So far I've only driven a few miles, but you know what? It doesn't seem much louder than my last set of tires, the Bridgestone Ecopias. I'm taking those to the dump right now, actually. It doesn't cost much. It's usually, at least for us around here, it's like $200 to $250 a tire to dispose of them. So we're gonna go do that and give these things a test drive. Hey, how's it going? Hey. I just need to get rid of 4 tires. They're off the rim. They're just car tires. I just took them off this car. That was a pretty good deal. $8. All right, guys, just got my new tread installed. The Falken AT Trail tires. Pretty sweet. Let's check this tread out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, please, down below. Take a minute to do that. That means a lot. Let's check this tread out. I've got about 300 miles on them, and I would say the biggest thing I am noticing different is the handling. When I go into a corner, my old tires, the Bridgestone Ecopias, they felt like they just wanted to roll, and that is not there at all. These tires are handling really well when it comes to cornering. I've noticed only a small miles per gallon drop, and I would say about 1 to 2 miles per gallon so far. And that's to be expected. I mean, these tires are about 9.5 pounds heavier than my old tires, so not a big deal there. Traction wise, I haven't been in snow or ice yet, but otherwise it's been great. I have no complaints yet. And once we get some snow and some ice again, I want to do an update video and get some footage of driving in the snow and let you know how they handle on those. I wouldn't say they're more or less quiet than our last set of tires. I'm not disappointed there. They absolutely don't seem that loud. If anything, it's possible that they're just a touch quieter. But the guys that installed these tires, they did a great job balancing them. At highway speeds, man, these things are just driving really, really smooth, and I'm really happy with that. If you're curious about what I thought of the Bridgestone Ecopia tires I had previously installed, I did a video review on them, and you can check them out in the link below.
If you're like me, you want a great set of tires at a really good price. The Falken Wildpeaks offer you really great 4-season performance, good looks, awesome deep tread, a 65,000 mile warranty, and not to mention the severe weather rating. Remember, in many states, the severe weather rating means you don't need to have chains on in the case where if you're driving through the snow, they'll require you to have chains or traction tires. Well, in my state, the severe weather rating, that little snowflake symbol, that qualifies as a traction tire. Not to mention, it means that this tire is going to do a lot better in snow and ice than an all-season tire. And if you shop it right, you can get a really good price. Make sure you check out my other video on where I bought these tires for the best deal. I'll put a link in the video.
All right, guys, I'm pretty happy with this purchase. I think it's a really good value, and I think it's a great looking tire. What you're getting for the money seems to be a very good value. We'll find out in time. Please take a moment and hit the subscribe button below. It means a whole lot to me. And always, thanks for watching. Leave any questions, any comments below, and I'll get to them. Thanks, guys.